Namaste, welcome to Monday Bites from Chitrakas. Like the channel, share it to your friends and relatives, subscribe the channel and write your comments in the comment box, and thanks for encouraging me to do more videos. Today we are talking about if you put in wrong fuel in your car. Let's say in petrol car you pour in diesel, or in diesel car you pour in petrol. What are the consequences? How should you handle and what you should do? First, if the petrol bunk person is pouring in your car a wrong fuel, instead of diesel is pouring petrol, first make sure you don't start the car. The reason why it is, the petrol will circulate in the engine and the engine will get seized. So just don't start the car, call for a towing guy and get the car towed, and the petrol tank has to be cleaned and fresh fuel has to be poured. So if the wrong fuel is there, this is what is going to happen. And if the petrol person has done this mistake, it is the responsibility of the petrol bunk owner to see that this job and whatever the cost is going to be taken care by him. And make sure when you are giving the keys or telling the petrol boy to pour petrol or diesel, specifically what car you are using. This is the precaution you should take while going to a petrol bunk pouring petrol or diesel. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think Chitrakas. Thank you.